Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome back. My name is Melinda, and if you're new, think about hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the family. I know, I'm in a singing mood. What can I say? But today we are doing Universal Yums. I have been loving this snack box. I get the 6+ snacks for $19.95, and they have increments that go up. I have the smallest box. It is a different country each month, full of surprises. They also give you a little hint to where we are going. Of course, it's backwards. It says, home of the cotton top tamarind. So where are we going? We will open it up and see. This month we are going to Colombia. All right on top is the booklet saying Colombia and all the different snacks that are inside, and it gives you a hint of where we're going next month. And then these are my snacks. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I brought my glasses because the writing in the booklet is quite small and I need a little help these days. And sometimes I forget to bring them. My hair is bugging me. Okay. Alright, right on top, Razzadazz. It's a mayonnaise flavored chip. Here it is. And then the booklet will give you more information, or if this is in a foreign language, then you can also read the booklet to find out what is in it. But Razzadazz mayonnaise. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It's really bugging me right here, my hair. Yummy. They don't taste really like mayonnaise. It's more of a sour cream. Alright. Tashenta bacon chips. Bacon and lime. I will not try these because I do not like pork. I know it's not actual pork, but I just don't like the taste of it. So I will give these away to someone who might eat them. We'll see. Alright. Turbana plantain chips. Yummy! I like those. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I do like those. Here's what they look like. These are good. Tastes like plantain and chips. Yeah. Galista's Matadors. It's a cookie. It's a cookie. I don't know what flavor cookie. Let's see if the booklet says. Jack all trades, grilled, roasted, boiled, fried cookie. It doesn't say what flavor though. Doesn't say. We'll see. Here's what it looks like. Cute. Plantain. Plantain. Oh, it's interesting. It's good. It's interesting having a cookie. Alright. Trululu Chocolores. I'm gonna guess this is white chocolate covered gummies. White chocolate covered gummies. That's going to be interesting. Here's what they look like. Uh-oh. I like the white chocolate. I'm going to have another one. Ooh, there's a blue one. It has a squishy, fruity flavor to the middle. They're not bad, but interesting for sure. Bianchi bar. Let's see. It says it's chocolate covered caramel and peanut bar wafer. Woo, come on. Can I read today? No. I love peanut butter and I love chocolate. I know caramel. Okay, so it's not really a wafer. It's like a more caramel chewy Snickers that we have. It's good. It's good. And we got 2 of those. Yum. Okay, then we got a Mexicoco. Let's see. Wafers with coconut cream filling. That is not what I was gonna guess. This is what it looks like. There's 2 of them. You can smell the coconut. It's a light coconut flavor. But you definitely can taste coconut. So if you don't like coconut, no. But it's good. Alright, the Yum bag. The Yum bag is a little extra bag of goodness. Alright, so one is a passion fruit Bon Bon Bum. And it's a passion fruit lollipop with gum in the middle. So I won't be doing that one on camera, but it sounds good. And the other one, Super Choco Traditio Chewy Coconut Candy. So, boop. I'm liking everything in here. This is what it looks like. It doesn't taste like coconut. Sorry. It tastes like coconut. It doesn't smell like coconut. But it's a very subtle coconut flavor. And chewy. Very good. It's like a caramel coconut. Alright. That is our Universal Yums for the month of June. Because remember, I'm a little behind because of my vacation. And let's find out where we're going in July. On the equator, there's a green jewel with dragons and temples that look really cool. We found a whole bunch of really good finds, like noodles and melons and tamarind rinds. Any guesses? Well, let me know. Alright, that is our Universal Yums for this month. Until next time, bye everyone.